to my channel. In today's video, I'm just doing a updated version on the water Jerry curl clip-ins. A few of you were asking me, how does the hair hold up and is it really worth it because it's expensive? So I'm going to try to go as in depth as possible as I can to really answer all of those questions. Hair with the clip-ins are looking like straight out of that little silk bag. It's now been about a month since I've taken them out, and I'm just gonna give them a quick co-wash. And the co-washes are usually best for the hair when you feel like it's a little bit on the drier side. Instead of using the shampoo, which would usually kind of dry out the hair even more, you just give it a quick co-wash with the conditioner. Now that wasn't necessarily the case for my clip-ins this time. I just didn't have them installed that long to feel the need to have to actually really deep clean them. So I'm just using my conditioner to kind of refresh the curls and to also help make the detangling process a lot easier.
Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me you never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much.
And let me just go ahead and give you a close up on these curls right here. Yes. And at this point, the only thing in the actual hair is conditioner. But even as I'm rinsing the conditioner out, you can still tell how shiny and moisturized these curls are looking. Me personally, I feel like this hair will last with me as long as you're taking care of it. I feel like it's such good quality with the proper maintenance and you caring for it. You could probably have this hair for like a year plus. When I say taking care of it, I mean like how are you maintaining it until you wear it again? Where and how are you storing it? Is it balled up in the back of your closet? What are you washing it with and conditioning it with? Because I really hope it's not no Suave or the shampoo and conditioner that they be having at the Dollar Tree. You really want to treat and maintain your weaves just like it's your natural hair. That means using heat protector, using sulfate free shampoos and conditioners, and not using anything that'll dry out or really compromise the integrity of the curls of the hair or really just the hair in general. I know a few of y'all were concerned about the hair y'all received being frizzy and not really being as defined as y'all see that my curls are. Well, the first thing I'm gonna say to y'all always, if you feel like you did not receive the hair or the item that you paid for, reach out to customer service and get your money back. I don't play about my money and I wouldn't advise y'all to either. With that being said, in all actuality, my curl defining and blending process be like an hour and a half. I know I probably make it look real quick and easy, but that's because who gonna sit there and want to watch a 14-hour video of me just doing my hair? For an easy blending process, I would suggest first investing in a weave that matches your natural hair to a T. That right there is key. Now, of course, you don't have to, but that will make your blending process that much more tedious and difficult. Second, applying the products to soaking wet hair. I stress this, I feel like in most of my videos, my hair is always wet down. This right here will help retain moisture, which will reduce the frizz. Again, this will help reduce frizz. And take your time. If you're rushing through the whole style, you're gonna get a rush job look. Like, you can't just do a couple little squirts and squirt a handful of product and just rub it through your whole head. You gotta take your time and really work the products through. Other than that, invest in a real good denim brush. Like, y'all will really be surprised at how that brush will really further define your curls. And if your hair is significantly shorter than your weave like mine is, layers will really help you tremendously. It'll just make the blending process that much more easier. And you can also coil. if you have the patience to do that, because that's also really tedious, but the outcome is beautiful. Okay, I will leave all of the products and tools and creams and gels that I used here today. I will leave all of that stuff down in the description below for those of you that want to check that out. I really only use Mayel and Carol's daughter. I mean, I like the Aunt Jackie's one too, but for the most part, my main two go-to products are Mayel and Carol's daughter, and I usually try to switch between the two so that my hair don't get used to one and stop working with the one, because that can happen too. Like I said, I will leave all of the products and stuff down below, and let me know in the comment section if y'all want me to do like a full dedicated video on my channel of how I actually go through and define my curls, because like I said, this really just be like an hour and a half, 2 hours sped up. So if you want a full dedicated video of me actually defining my curls and putting the products in and soaking it down, let me know, and you know I got y'all. This is what the clip-ins are giving after they're all dried. I believe this is like day 2 or 3 of me actually having them in. It took like all day for them to dry, but I do have a little clip that I'll put up here of what it looks like before I went to bed and wrapped everything up. Really cute, really defined, and you can tell the difference between day 1 and day 2 or 3. It's a lot more frizzier, but it's also a lot bigger and fuller. But yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Hopefully you've gotten a little bit more clarity from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.